Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to see what is regression and its types. So what is regression? It is a statistical method used in machine learning and data analysis to understand the relationship between variables, and it helps to understand how one thing affects another. Example, to predict house prices based on features like size and location. Then applications of regressions are useful in fields like finance, healthcare, marketing to forecast trends and make decisions. And its types include linear regression, multivariate regression, and logistic regression. So the first type of regression is linear regression. It is a type of supervised ML algorithm. It is the simplest form of regression, and it finds a straight line that best fits the data points. Then you should use linear regression when you have one input that is independent variable and one output or dependent variable that has a straight line relationship. And the equation for linear regression is y is equal to mx plus c, where y is represents the output, m represents the slope of the line, and x represents the input, and c represents the y-intercept. So the use cases for linear regressions are predicting house prices based on size. This is how the linear regression graph looks like. There is one line, that is straight line that divides the data points. So the second type of regression, that is multivariate regression. It is one of the simplest ML algorithms, and it comes under the class of supervised learning algorithm. And this type of regression is an extension of linear regression that involves multiple input variables. So the equation for multivariate regression is y is equal to b naught plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 plus till bn xn, where y represents the output, b naught b1 b2 till bn represents the intercepts, and x1 x2 x3 till xn represents the coefficients of for each input. And the use case for multivariate regressions is again it is same like predicting the house prices based on size, location, number of bedrooms and etc. लीनियर रिग्रेशन में क्या था कि हम लोग सिर्फ एक ही लोकेशन, सिर्फ एक ही वेरिएबल को मतलब वेरिएबल बेस्ड हम लोग लीनियर रिग्रेशन में वो ग्राफ लाइन ड्रॉ करते थे. लेकिन मल्टीवेरिएट में ऐसे नहीं होता. मल्टीवेरिएट में वो मल्टीपल वेरिएबल्स लेगा लाइक साइज, लोकेशन, नंबर ऑफ बेडरूम्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. So the third type of regression is logistic regression. It is one of the most popular machine learning algorithm, and it comes under supervised learning technique, and a type of regression used for binary classification problems where the output is categorical: yes, no, true, false, 0 or 1. It is used for solving classification problems. Here, instead of fitting a regression line, we fit an S-shaped logistic function that predicts two maximum values, that is 1 or 0. So this is the logistic function shaped S that we have fitted here. Also the steps in logistic regressions are data preprocessing step, then fitting logistic regression to training set, then predicting test result, fourth is test accuracy of result, fifth is visualizing test set result. And the types of logistic regressions are binomial, multinomial, ordinal. So binomial, there are only two possible types of dependent variable, that is either it gives 0 1, yes, no. And for multinomial, it gives 3 or more possible unordered types of dependent variables like cat, dog, sheep, etc. And for ordinal, it gives 3 or more possible ordered types of dependent variables like low, medium, high, etc. So that was it for the logistic regression. Thank you for watching till here.